This is a very short video I shot about 2 years ago. It kind of shows the removal of the starter of my first Toyota Crown Estate Athlete G. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to shoot all the steps. The most challenging part was getting to the top starter bolt. In order to get to it, I used 2 long socket extensions and pushed them from the rear of the car and above the upper left of the transmission. After doing that, it was pretty easy to remove everything. So right now we are good, but outside is really cool. So I don't know if I look forward to this or what, but it have to be done. That's what I say. So yeah, head out tonight cooler now. We started the work. We've removed the under guard for the car, the engine room, so we can access the starter from underneath. What you're looking at right now is the starter solenoid. Right, I don't know if you can see it. Sorry for the bad video quality, folks. I'm trying to work with one hand with a pair of gloves. Right, there's a solenoid. Right, am I pointing at the right thing? Yeah. So, but we are accessing it from down below, so you can see my driver and stuff under there. Right, all my tools and thing, like a backyard garage thing we're doing. So right now I'm going inside to get some more stuff, and as soon as I finish it, so we've already removed the most difficult bolt. It was up there. Can't see, can't focus. No focus. Anyway, it was up there, so right. That was the most difficult one. Right now I'm at the second one. We've already disconnected the starter wires from here. Right, and the other one is over there. So we're just taking off this final bolt right now, and this will remove the starter totally. My secondary starter is there, and that's what we're going to put in afterwards. And I'm thinking, while I'm here, this dust guard for the brake, I might change it. The one that's on it now isn't big enough for the Lexus brakes that are on it, so I'm going to change them to the Lexus dust guard. But one thing at a time. We're going to try finish this first, see how much time we have left in the day, how much daylight, and then take it from there. Alright, so just a quick update as to the progress, what's happening right now. And I'm going to sign off again because one hand on the camera, one hand working is not going to make us go any faster. Alright, anyway, we've just completed the change of the starter. You can see right here, there's some burning from this venting hole and this venting hole inside. You can see it. You probably can't see it on camera, but down in there it's pretty dark. You're not supposed to be so dark. You're supposed to see like a coil, electrical coil down in there, motor coil. So this is definitely dead. So right now, since we've completed that, I've already done the testing and we're just packing up back now. I'm always working on bringing more and improved content, so please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching, and one love.